This is section 9.5, Exploring Similar Solids. Objective today is to use proportions to find missing measurements of similar solids, including surface area and volume. Let's start with a vocabulary. Similar solids are two solids with the same shape and all corresponding dimensions are proportional. So, two pyramids are similar. We're going to find the value of x. So we're going to set up a proportion. This 5 corresponds with this 12. So we'll set up 5 over 12 equals 6 corresponds with x, 6 over x. If you remember from solving proportions, we do 12 times 6 and 5 times x. Then we'll divide by 5 on both sides. So x will equal 14.4 centimeters. Remember that corresponding pieces have to line up in our proportion, either vertically or horizontally. So two cylinders are similar. The small cylinder has a diameter of 4 meters and a height of h. The large cylinder has a diameter of 5 meters and a height of 11 meters. What is the value of h? Try this on your own. All right, we know that 4 goes with 5, so we can set up that fraction. Equals h with 11. We cross multiply and divide. We get 44 equals 5h. Divide by 5, and h equals 8.8 meters. Now the important new thing of today. If the ratio of corresponding dimensions of similar solids is a over b, then the ratio of surface areas is a squared over b squared, and the ratio of volumes is a cubed over b cubed. So let's try that. The surface area of a cylindrical pitcher is 90 inches squared. This one right here. Its volume is about 157 inches cubed. The pitcher and creamer are similar. Find the surface area and volume. We're going to start with our given proportion, or given fraction, which is 6 over 3. Let's start with surface area. The surface area of the big one is 90 over, we don't know, I'll call it S. Well, we can't do this proportion because it won't work. We have to square that initial fraction that we had. So it'll really be 36 over 9 equals 90 over S. Now we can solve that by doing 9 times 90 divided by 36. So my surface area equals 22.5 square inches. For the volume, we take that initial fraction again, except this time we'll cube it. So cube the top and the bottom. That'll equal 157 over the volume. Well, 6 cubed is 216, and 3 cubed is 27, equals 157 over. And after we cross multiply and divide, we get that our volume equals 19.63 cubic inches. So try this one. A box has a surface area of 54 square inches and a volume of 27 cubic inches. The edge lengths of the box are about 1/3 of the edge lengths of a larger box. Find the surface area and volume of the larger box. All right, for this one, the initial fraction is 1/3. When we move to surface area, we have 54 over something, and we have to square that 1/3. We really have 1/9 equals 54 over my surface area. So surface area of the larger box is 486 square inches. For the volume, we take that 1/3 and we cube it. That will equal 27 over our volume. So really we have 1 over 27 equals 27 over V. Cross multiply and divide, and my volume is 729 cubic inches. Here's your